Snoqualmie Falls near Seattle, Washington. There is a 300-foot drop down to a wonderful pool at the bottom. This is Clear Creek Falls, going east from Mount Rainier. It is really nice. Cascades on the right hand side. This is Palouse Falls in Palouse State Park in eastern Washington. This is taken from Palouse Falls State Park. This is Palouse Canyon, which is gorgeous in itself, with the Palouse River, these great cliffs, coming over to the highlight of this in the state park. And here we have Palouse Falls, a 200-foot drop with a great big pool at the bottom. This is Burney Falls in Burney Falls State Park on the way to Lawson National Park. End of September 2017.